Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss class 9th computer chapter number 2 understanding networking. Advantage of a computer network, disadvantage of a computer network and component of a computer network. As we know, because of computer network our life is more comfortable and easy. Computer networks have highly benefited various fields of education sector, business world and many organizations. They can be seen everywhere and they connect people all over the world. There are some major advantages which computer networks have provided, making the human life more relaxed and easy. Some of them are listed below in your book given, like file saving, resource sharing, increased storage capacity, centralized software management, easy communication, flexible handling, inexpensive setup, etc. I like to conclude this topic in short way. So advantage of a computer network, sharing device such as printers saves money. Site software license are likely to be cheaper than buying server. File can easily be shared between users. Network user can communicate by email and instant messenger. Security is good. User cannot see other users' file unlike or stand-alone machine. Data is easily to backup as all the data is stored on the file saver. Major disadvantage of a computer network, time sink and lot of distraction. Although a computer can be a tool that can significantly increase your productivity, it can also be some time that can be used to waste a lot of your time. For example, you could be trying to learn more about computers and see an interesting link on cooking, spending a few minutes reading that page. Then you read a page about the best pot to use, which lead to reading about healthy eating. 2 hours later, you realize you never achieved your original goal. This is a main at disadvantage of a computer network, and because of computer network present time computer takes place on human can reduce jobs. As computers become smarter and more capable, they also replace the need for many jobs. In the future, it is also not inconvenient that computers can carry out any job. For many, social networks can also be an escape of being social in the real world by doing most of your association with friends and family over social network like Facebook. There have also been many studies that shows social network sites can be depressing because they only show all of the good, fun and interesting things friends and family are doing. It can result in people behaving that other people's lives are so much better than theirs. It's all about disadvantage of a network. Now, compute components of a networking. Server. Last video we study server. Server is a powerful computer. Server are faster computers that run various softwares, store and process information by providing an interface for the users to be able to utilize the network computer. Servers are computers that hold shared file programs and the network operating system. Servers provide access to network resources to all the users of the computer network. There are many different kind of server and one provides server functions. For example, there are file server, print server, mail servers, communication server, etc. Second, nodes. Nodes are the computers on the network that are provided to the users to carry out their tasks using the network. Generally, any computer becomes a node when it is attached to a networking server. Any computer becomes a node when it is attached to a networking service. Last video we saw each computer become a node. Next, network interface card, NIC, network interface card. Each computer in a network has a special expansion card called a network interface card, NIC. The NIC prepares, formats and send data, receive data and control data flow between the computer and the network. On the transmit side, the NIC passes frames of data onto the physical layer which transmits the data to the physical link. On the receiver side, the NIC process which received from the physical layer and process the manage based on its content. Next, hub. Hub is a device that split a network connection into multiple computers. It is like a distribution center. When a computer requests information from a network or a specific computer, it sends the request to the hub through a cable. The hub will receive the request and transmit it to the entire network. Each computer in the network should then figure out whether the broadcast data is for them or out. Next, switch network operating system, NOC. The network requires some software to control or the information transfer activity on the network, like the traffic police to control the traffic. So, network operating system, NOC, control all the transfer activities on the network. The software called NOC handles these tasks. Example of such operating system include Windows NT, Windows 2000, network cables. This is the medium or channel over which the information travels from computer to computer. You see here UTP and fiber optics is there. The media for a wireless network is the air through which the wireless NICs transmit radio signals that carry information. Computer. The information travels from one computer onto the medium and then from the medium to another computer in the form that is can be read. There are two types cables used in networking. First, UTP to send fiber optics. Tomorrow we will learn what is network.